Hi, everybody. I wanted to share with you the instructions for the 6 skills assignment that we just went over today in class. And I'm going to put it on your Google Classroom so you can have it for your asynchronous time tomorrow for Wednesday, and then have it done by 1 o'clock. And then come see me, let me know you did it, and then that'll be great for tomorrow. So we went over the agility, the balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. We went over the definitions, and I had you read about the side shuttle that I'd like for you to try to do. So remember I said you could do this in 10 seconds where you can slide all the way to the right, slide all the way to the left, and you can put shoes out if you want to. You don't have to use a line, but put a shoe here and a shoe there. See how many times you can do it in 10 seconds. Then I wanted you to go back to the Google form, which I have posted on the Google Classroom, and you'll put your answers in here. So it says agility side shuttle. How many times do you go all the way to the left and then back to the right? And then you let me know 1 to 2 times, 3 to 4 times, 5 to 6 times. And then after you do that one, you would go to the balance. You do the static stunt for 1, and this is where you stand on one leg. Try right first or left first, it doesn't matter. Tell me how many seconds or minutes it took you that you could do that, which would be really cool. And then you go back to the Google form, and this one says how long did you stand on your right foot, and you'll tell me seconds or over a minute. And then it even goes down to the left foot. Then you do the dynamic balance, and that is where you stand on in your shoes. They have one shoe, heel to toe, then heel the toe, heel the toe, heel the toe. How long can you go? How far can you go and keep your balance? And then you go back to the Google form, and then you tell me how many steps that you did right here. Then you go back to the coordination with the coin, flipping it on the back of your hand, front and back, catch it. Try the right hand first or left hand first, it doesn't matter, but do both hands, front and back, and see how you do. And then you go back to the Google form, and then you let me know how many did on the left hand, how many did on the right hand. And then you'll do the juggling for the eye-foot coordination, and this is how you could juggle on each foot. How many times can you do it? Switch feet. How many on the right? How many on the left? If you don't have a soccer ball, that's fine, or any other ball, that's fine. You could do some socks, roll them up in a bunch, that's fine too. And then go back, please, to the Google form, and here we go for the right foot, and fill in what you did for the left foot. Then we have the power. If you go back to the power, when you do the standing broad jump, again, you don't have to make a line, just put a shoe there, and then jump as far as you can, stand behind the line, 2 feet behind, jump as far as you can. Use your shoes to mark out your distance, and then go back to the Google form and tell me how far you did. And this would be 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and you'll tell me how many you did. And then the last one, here, let me go right here. Oh, reaction time is not the last one. Reaction time, and this is when you do it with the ruler. And if you don't have a ruler, you can use a piece of paper. Try to catch it between your fingers and use both hands, right hand and then left hand. See which one is better. And then the last one is the speed. And this one, if you can measure out your distance, which I would say put a shoe somewhere, put another shoe somewhere else, maybe down a hallway, run back and forth, see how you do. Are you faster? Are you slower the second time? Or are you the same? And then please go back to the Google Classroom form, the Google form, and tell me if you did it faster, slower, or stay the same. And reaction time is in here too. So that's the assignment. Please try to do this Wednesday before 1 o'clock. This is the Google form. This is the assessment, the assignment right here. So I want to know how you're doing on the 6 skills assignment. All right, thanks, you guys. Hopefully that worked out well. Let me know how you did. If you have any questions, email me, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow at 1.